Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm making a very simple dish for you. It's easy. Most households make it. They have their own recipes for it. This is mine. I'm making a bhindi fry for you today, the way the Rao household makes it. So let's get started. So I'm using mustard oil for this recipe. In my opinion, that's the best oil to use, but feel free to use whatever oil you like at home. To that, I'm going to add a few cumin seeds, and that's going to splutter very quickly because mustard oil heats very fast. And that's probably good enough right there. You can see the splutter. And I'm going to add in my garlic and my chilies. Now this has to saute for about 30 seconds, and we'll move to the next step. In goes our okra, and now this has to cook on high heat because that way the water, the natural water hydration from the okra will go and you won't get a slimy consistency. The other secret is add salt at the very end. If you add the salt now, it's just going to help the waters release and the slime release from the okra, and you'll have a mess on your plate. While that's on high heat, I recommend not using a spoon and mixing too much. That's never a good idea. And I like to toss. Now, children, don't try this at home. But if you're not comfortable tossing it, use a spoon. Otherwise, this is the best way to get it all mixed together with your garlic and chili and all the oil. So now all my okra is coated. This is going to take about 10 minutes to fry off well. We'll be right back. And you can see how my bhindi okra is reduced in half. That's all the water is gone from it. And please use fresh okra, not frozen, it won't work. And now, if you didn't ask this question earlier, why didn't I add the onions first? There's a reason, because if I did that, those onions would burn with the high heat. So we add the onion later. Now again, this is a personal choice. I add them, you don't have to. But I like a lot of onion, as you can see. This is not typical either, but this is how we like it at home. And it adds a natural sweetness and it's really great flavors. I'm a big fan of onions, that's why you see that much. Cut it in half if you want, but let this cook. We'll toss it up and it'll cook for about 2 or 3 more minutes. In go my spices, some haldi, about half a teaspoon haldi, half a teaspoon red chili powder, and about 1 teaspoon of chaat masala. Now, because my bhindi is already done, I'm comfortable adding the salt now. You can wait till the very end too, just before serving, and that's fine. So we put all of this and give it a quick toss. Actually, I'm just going to toss it. It's easier. I find this easier. So we mix all our spices in, and with that, our bhindi masala is done. And that's it, folks. Homemade bhindi fry. I've served it today with some just yellow dal simple tadka and a nice ghee roti. The best way to have this. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you for watching. As always, see you next time.